Good morning, students. Today we will see illustration 1 again. Okay, so here complete the missing items. This is how the question will be. Mostly these type of question will be asked in 2 marks. That is assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Already I have taught you that there are two approaches of accounting. One is your accounting equation approach, the other one is the traditional approach. This topic comes under accounting equation approach. Okay, so here complete the missing items, which means assets is equal to liabilities plus capital is our accounting equation. From among these three, any two values will be given for you. Okay, you just have to find out the missing information. Okay, so for if you take up the first one, you have assets which is 30,000, liabilities 20,000. You are not given the capital amount. In that case, you have your assets and liabilities, which means you will have to find out the capital amount alone. So we know the equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. So 30,000 equal to 20,000 plus what is the question. Okay, so how you can find this out is 30,000 minus 20,000. So you get rupees 10,000, which will be your capital amount. Okay, when asset value is given and liability value is given, in that case your asset minus liability will be the capital amount. Okay, so you should not write like this in your classwork. You have to write like this only. Okay, you need not show any calculation in your classwork, but in the exam perspective you have to write like this. Okay, that is assets is equal to, I'll write in a notebook itself. So you'll write asset is equal to capital plus liabilities. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Your asset value is given as 30,000. So you write 30,000 is equal to 20,000 plus question mark. Okay, so how you can get the answer is 30,000 minus 20,000 is equal to 10,000. So which means your capital amount is equal to rupees, this should be 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Like this only you have to write in your exams. Okay, so here first you write the equation, write whatever values are given, and then write one step for finding out the missing information, and then write the answer. So here capital is not given, which we have found now. So capital is equal to rupees 10,000. So this is how the answer should be. Okay, in your exam. But now as this is very easy sum, right? So you can directly write the answers in your classwork. Okay, so next sum is B. Asset, again asset is given as 60,000 equal to liabilities 25,000 and capital there is nothing given. So now when you have to find out, you will write 60,000 minus 25,000. So you get rupees 35,000 as your capital amount. Okay, the next one is C. You do not have your assets, you have liabilities which is 25,000 and capital rupees 30,000. So when this type of question is asked, it is very easy because you just have to add these two values to get your asset amount, which is 25,000 plus 30,000. Formula itself is assets is equal to capital plus liability. So capital plus liabilities means you have to add up these two values to get the asset amount, which is 55,000. D. Asset, again nothing is given. Liabilities you have 10,000, capital you have 80,000. Now again liabilities plus capital. The amount you get is rupees 90,000 here. 10,000 plus 80,000, 90,000 here. The next one, E is assets 25,000, liabilities value is not given, but capital values you have rupees 15,000. Now asset value 25,000 minus, we don't have liabilities, instead we have capital of 15,000. So 25,000 minus 15,000, you get liabilities as rupees 10,000. F, 40,000 is your asset, liabilities you don't have anything, capital you have rupees 30,000. Okay, so here 40,000 minus 30,000 will give you the liabilities value. So 40,000 is your assets minus, you do not have your liabilities, instead you have your asset, so minus 30,000 will give you rupees 10,000 here. Okay.